Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Commerce Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in commercebank.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Commerce Bank website. Now from the homepage, click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be asked to choose your account type. After choosing your account type from the drop-down menu, just enter your customer ID within the customer ID box. You can then click on the login button and then you will be asked to enter your password. Just type in your password that you have set up while signing up for your account, and then you can also choose which page you would like to be taken to. After entering all of your credentials, you can click on the login button and you will be logged into your account on Commerce Bank right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Commerce Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.